Are you thinking about buying a new construction townhome in the center part of Fremont? Maybe you don't like all those townhomes that are being developed on the south part of Fremont and you want something a little bit more central. My name is Spencer Hsu, and every week we're helping people just like you that are tuning into YouTube, helping them buy new construction and pre-owned. And today we are delighted to showcase a new construction community for you, which is the Veranda by KB Homes, which are all townhomes starting in the low 1 million mark. Now, many of these homes are ready to be moved in right now, but they also have a lot of other floor plans that won't be able to be moved in for 6+ months later. So today we're gonna be looking at two models that they have, Plan 3 and Plan 4, which are both 3 bedrooms. And let's see what you think. And if it works, reach out as my details are below so we can go over next steps and guide you every step of the way. All right, we're going to start off with Plan 3. As you walk in on the ground level, the main thing to notice is the garage setup. This one features a 2-car tandem garage, which is pretty common for these more affordable entry-level floor plans. From the entry, we are going to head straight up this first flight of stairs to get to the main communal living space. This specific unit has some quick move-in options available. As you come up the stairs, you're greeted by the kitchen. I looked at some recent stats, and we are actually seeing a lot more of these brown-colored cabinets coming back into style, replacing the all-white trend we've seen so much of. It's paired with stainless steel appliances. Right next to the kitchen on this main level, you have a full bedroom, which gets great natural light. Right across the hall from it is a full bathroom with a shower tub combo. Having a full bed and bath on the main living level is incredibly convenient. To give you some context, this Plan 3 is a 3-story setup with 3 bedrooms and 3 baths, coming in at 1,394 square feet. You can see the continuous layout flowing from the kitchen into the dining room and family room. You also get a really good sized private balcony right off the living area. Prices for this floor plan start at around $1.23 million. Let's go up the next flight of stairs to the 3rd level. Up here on the top floor, you have your remaining bedrooms. This first guest room has a nice paneled accent wall, and it features its own attached ensuite bathroom with a shower tub combo. It's a great setup for privacy. Back out in the hallway, you have a pretty deep closet for your stackable washer and dryer, along with extra linen cabinets and counter space right in the middle of the hallway for additional storage. Next is the primary suite. The closet setup here is really unique. It's essentially 2 closets that merge together into one continuous space, complete with a little landing spot and a panel to hide all your networking wires. That is a king-size bed, and you can see it fits comfortably with plenty of room on the sides. The attached primary bathroom features dual sinks with those brown cabinets, a separate stall for the toilet, and a large walk-in shower. Now, let's head next door and take a look at Plan 4 to see how it stacks up. Here we go. This is Plan 4. This is also a 3-story layout, but it is noticeably larger. Right as you walk in on the ground level, you find a highly desirable setup, an office or full bedroom on the 1st floor. It even has its own ensuite bathroom with a walk-in shower. I really love the finish they chose with these metal stair railings. Another massive value add for this plan is the garage. Instead of tandem, you get a true side-by-side 2-car garage down here. Let's head up to the 2nd level. As you come up, you immediately notice the living room, and the balcony for this plan is located at the back of the room. It's the same size as the previous one, but I really like the architectural detail of these arches looking out over the community. Flowing right from the dining area is the kitchen. Here they went with the more traditional white cabinets and a honeycomb backsplash. It's a great contrast to the brown cabinets next door. It really just comes down to your personal preference. You have quartz countertops, gold hardware, and sleek stainless steel appliances, with the sink perfectly placed by the window. Just down the hall, past the kitchen, you have a convenient half-bathroom powder room for your guests, as well as a coat closet. Let's take these metal-railed stairs up to the 3rd floor. Right at the top of the landing, there is a closet holding your stackable Samsung washer and dryer. And next to it is another great built-in cabinet and counter area for extra linen storage. The first bedroom on this level is quite spacious, currently set up with a desk and a bed. It gets excellent natural light and features its own ensuite bathroom with a white vanity, gold poles, and a shower tub combo. Heading down the hall towards the primary suite, the layout first takes you into the primary bathroom. It features dual sinks, white cabinetry with gold hardware, a walk-in shower with a sliding glass door, and a separate water closet for the toilet. Right next to the bathroom is the primary bedroom. This room easily fits a king-size bed, and it features that same unique dual walk-in closet setup that connects in the middle, giving you plenty of storage and a spot for your networking wires. This primary bedroom has these 3 square windows placed high up on the wall, which just flood the room with extra natural light. This plan 4 is currently listed around $1.36 million, with larger end units going up to the $1.4 million mark.
So I hope you found that valuable. If you are interested in any of these properties, we deal with a lot of new construction every single year. So people on YouTube are finding us because they want representation, but also want guidance, because at the end of the day, we will help you figure out what is the best new construction or pre-owned and help you get the best deal possible, because we are having pretty tight relationships with these builders since we do this every single week. And that's why we're even doing these videos. So if you are interested in any properties, whether it's here, other cities, new construction, pre-owned, we would love to be able to help you. And my contact details are below, so you can simply email us or text us and we can go over a game plan immediately. Thanks for tuning in. And if you're interested in this video, YouTube has suggested the one over here that'll be best for you next. See you next time.